Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. MI Smart Kettle. Let me show you what is the problem. Touch buttons and we can hear the sound. Well, doesn't work. Nothing. Sometimes it makes the sound. It's supposed to have an LED indicator at the boil button and warm button. Both are touch buttons. So let's open this kettle and fix the problem. At the bottom we have these two safe screws I need to remove. It is another one screw here, the serial number. It is out of warranty, so I don't care. Okay, so there it is how it looks. We don't need to remove the bottom cover. I need only to remove this cover. So never mind. Just to see how it looks and inside. There it is. You just need to find the correct spot. I can see we have a moisture inside. And there's the buttons. Screw here. Okay. There's the two buttons. We have these springs, and when you touch the plastic, it turns on. So let's try now to turn it on. I will install the cover again. Perfect. Oh, there it is. Let me fill up with water. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, nothing. Let's see if we need to install that and then... Nope. Unplug. The board, seal it with silicone. Okay, let's connect them again back. Now it's working. That is the boil button, touch button. And that is the warm. So, I will try to bend a little bit or pull these springs to have a better contact with the plastic. Not too much. Okay, let's see again. Now let me install it again. Okay, yeah. Well, doesn't work again. There's the faulty unit. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not working. So, if I'm going to touch with a metal screwdriver, it's working instantly. But with my finger it's not working. I need to ground myself. Oh. After cleaning all the contacts and unplugging the touch buttons, use the screwdriver to turn the kettle on by touching the buttons. Somehow it's back again and working. Until the next time will stop working, I will let you know. I'm very sure that the problem was the moisture around the spring touch buttons. We will find out in the future if that was the problem. If you enjoyed this maintenance, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smart home gadgets, kitchen essentials and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay efficient, and I'll see you in the next video.